Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Let's go outside. Let's go outside. I will help you. I will help you. Do you need this? Do you need this? Can I have some water? Can I have some water? It's getting late.
It's getting late.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Let's clean the table.
Let's clean the table.
I don't know this. I don't know this. It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. I will come later. I will come later. Let's open the door. Let's open the door. It's very cold today. It's very cold today. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Can you show me? Can you show me? Let's take some rest. Let's take some rest. Are you free now? Are you free now? What time is it? What time is it? Do you know the way? Do you know the way? Can we talk now? Can we talk now? Let's make tea. Let's make tea. It's time to eat. It's time to eat. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go now. Let's go now. What is your name? What is your name? Do you know him? Do you know him? I will wait for you. I will wait for you. What is in your bag? What is in your bag? Are you tired? Are you tired? Can you call him? Can you call him? What should we do now? What should we do now? Do you want more? Do you want more? Can you hold this? Can you hold this? Are you coming? Are you coming? Do you like tea? Do you like tea? I will call you. I will call you. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's a sunny day. It's a sunny day. Can you give me this? Can you give me this? Let's go to the market. Let's go to the market. It's so quiet here. It's so quiet here. What do you think? What do you think? Do you remember this? Do you remember this? I will bring it. I will bring it. What's your plan today? What's your plan today? Are you feeling better? Are you feeling better? What do you want? What do you want? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Can we meet later? Can we meet later? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? Do you have an idea? Do you have an idea? Can you hold the door? Can you hold the door? Let's write something. Let's write something. It's time to get ready. It's time to get ready. What do you see there? What do you see there? Are you coming with us? Are you coming with us? It's time to leave. It's time to leave. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Do you like this movie? Do you like this movie? Can you call her now? Can you call her now? Let's sit in the garden. Let's sit in the garden. Do you want to join us? 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 Can you hear me? Can you hear me? It's time to start. It's time to start. Let's sit together. Let's sit together. Can I come in? Can I come in? Let's finish this first. Let's finish this first. I will wait outside. I will wait outside. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. Let's go home. Let's go home. I will call him now. I will call him now. What is your hobby? What is your hobby? Are you feeling hungry? Are you feeling hungry? Can I borrow this? Can I borrow this? Let's talk tomorrow. Let's talk tomorrow. Do you wait for me? Do you wait for me? Let's play outside. Let's play outside. I will be right back. I will be right back. What is your problem? What is your problem? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? It's so peaceful here. It's so peaceful here. It's time to eat. It's time to eat.